when you've been drinking for 2 days. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Birthstone. Today's video is going to be a super last minute installment of the Birthstone series. I realized that May is almost over and I haven't filmed or posted. Obviously I can't post if I have not filmed, but my May Birthstone tutorial, and this is one I was really excited to do, so I don't know how I let time get away from me. Life has just been so busy, but you know what? I'm filming it now and it will be up before May is over, so that's what this video is going to be. And if you know, you're a Taurus and May is your birthstone, happy birthday or almost birthday or late birthday, because this is your month, mama. So that's what this video is going to be. It's going to be me doing a emerald, because emerald is the birthstone of May, an emerald birthstone tutorial. It's going to be inspired by an emerald. Please tell me emerald is right. I'm losing control of my life. But that's why the shirt is green, and that's why the thumbnail has a green eyeshadow look, and that's why I'm going to now do a green look. If you are excited about this video and this series, please make sure to give it a like if you would like. And of course, smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. I put out new videos every single week and I would love to have you as part of this little group. It's a fun group of people, if I do say so myself. And I do say so myself. And I think we should stop talking about it and get to being about it. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. If you would like to see me do an emerald inspired makeup look on my little eyeballs, just keep on watching. Alright, so this look is going to be a recreation of a look I actually did for my friend's graduation party yesterday. If you haven't seen that look, you should go check me out on Instagram. It's just Birthstone, like my namesake here, and I posted a photo of it, but this version is going to be a green version where that was more neutral. I feel like this would be a good look to do in a nice emerald green. Initially I was going to do like a giant like wing shape, and then I realized I did the same thing for the diamond. So though I have been very into wing shapes, I'm not going to do exactly what I did there. I'm going to switch up a little bit. I'm going to see if it goes good, because I liked how this technique turned out, and I got more compliments last night on my makeup than I ever have in my entire life. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already put concealer on my lids and set it with setting powder, and now we're going to go in. All the stuff I need is way over there. We are going to start by taking some good old-fashioned Scotch tape and making a wing guard for our look today. I know they sell like makeup specific tape, but we're not about that fanciness. If you want to be about that fanciness, you're welcome to do so. But I'm just going to stick it on my hand so it gets a little less sticky so it doesn't pull out the skin, and then I'm going to pop this on in a wing shape. Sliding it under the lashes and boom. So I want to keep the shadow going up and I don't want it to go down here. This will keep it nice and sharp and flawless. Flawless, seamless, beautiful, and amazing. Just like me. Okay, so we have both. Now, are they even? I don't know. I think this one could maybe go down like a little, like that. Seems better. Okay, let's get into it. So I'm going to be going in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade 0. If you hear any like jingle jingling, it's because Dutter's cat just got on the bed and he has a bell, so I know where he is at all times, and he wiggles. Okay, so I'm going to take this and put it across the lash line in a messy fashion. No real precision here because it doesn't matter, and keeping it a little thinner towards the inner part of the eye, since that's how I like my liner to be. Oh shit, too much. Alright, now that we have some messy, smudgy liner on the top, we're going to take a pencil brush, I've got this one right here, and we're going to smoke it out and start dragging it up towards the tape wing. So I know you shouldn't hold your skin, but I'm going to, because I'm a boss. I'm the boss of my life as a 30-year-old lady, and you can't tell me what to do, but I wouldn't recommend you do it. So do with that information what you will. And I'm going to start to pull the liner towards the tape and smudge it in that wing shape. Alright, and you don't need to be too precise with this because this is really just kind of a base for us. We're going to be going in with shadows and we're going to be darkening it up. This is just kind of the base to give the shadow something to stick to so that it's nice and pigmented when we're doing the eyeshadow, because the eyeshadow is going to be the star. This is just going to help the star shine, you feel me? Supporting actors, backup dancers, however you want to categorize it, that's what this is. This one might have gotten a little more crazy than this one, so let's bring this one up a little farther, just to make them even. Like that. Okay, so now we're going to go in with some eyeshadows, and I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Alien palette, because if you're going for greens, what else are you going to use besides the Alien palette? I'm going to take the shade right here, which is Ghost OG, and I'm going to start packing that onto our liner base. And to do that, I'm going to go in with this really thick, I don't know if you can tell just how thick it is, but it is a, you know, what is this? An angled brush, but it's nice and thick, so it's not really great for eyebrows. I mean, it can be, but for this purpose, it's going to be really nice. So I'm dipping in to Ghost OG. Where'd it go? Right here. Dipping in, dipping in. We're going to top that on top of our liner, just to get it nice and dark. And smoky. I like this color for this particular look because it's gray and it's a really dark gray, but it seems to have a bluish green base to it, so it's going to be really good for our emerald green inspired look instead of like a traditional black. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade X-Files and sort of blend over the top of that so it doesn't look quite so harsh. Oh, that's darker than I thought. Careful, careful. I'm going to bring that slightly into the crease, just a little bit for definition, and also blend those out. Yeah, just like that. Just to give the eye a little shape as well as blending out our wing. I like that a lot. I'm also going to bring that sort of across the lid so that the eye doesn't look unfinished, because I don't think we're going to put any shadow down there. Yes. Okay, and now for the green fun, which is what you were here for, we're going to go in with the shade Alien right here. This on top of the dark base makes a really nice shade. I tested this out yesterday when I realized I didn't have an emerald eyeshadow. And instead of going out and buying something, I should just try to utilize what I have and be creative, and that's why I came up with this. So we're going to go ahead and top that on top of the dark base. And when you blend the two in, you get a much more emerald green shade, and it's really pretty. Okay, now that we have this beautiful dark green wing, I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Ghost OG, and I'm going to put that really close to the lash line just so that we do keep sort of a deep base, but with the emerald coming out. Yeah, just to keep the lash line thick so it looks like you're wearing eyeliner as well. Ooh, I like that a lot. Okay, and now let's do the money shot of pulling off the tape and seeing that beautiful wing shape. I'll get it for you on this side. 1 second. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, so sharp, so sharp. 1, 2, 3. I love it so much. Oh my god. I did get some green eyeshadow down here. I'm gonna have to clean that up a little bit. I actually got green eyeshadow everywhere. I didn't realize it had so much fallout. I don't know if you can tell, but it's everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up my face and do my base, and I will be right back to finish the eyes and do some lips with you. So just hold on real quick. Okay guys, so now we are back and we have the top of the eyes and the face totally done. So let's go ahead and get into this lower lash line situation and lips. Alright, so for the lower lash line, we're going to go back in with that Urban Decay pencil, and we're going to put it in the waterline and also a little bit below the waterline so we can smudge that out as well as base again. Alright, now I'm going to take the same pencil brush that I used for the top, and I'm going to use it on the bottom to smoke out that black eyeliner and smudge it together. Like so. Pretty easy. This pencil brush is particularly good for this because this pencil brush it's by Sonia Kashuk, and it's a little bit, it's soft so it's not scratchy, but it's dense, so it really moves the eyeliner around, but doesn't move it too much so that it's not where it needs to be. You know what I'm saying? Like, it keeps it where I wanted it, but it also brings it where else I want it, and it's really good for this. I finally found like a perfect use for this because I've had it a while, and I hadn't used it, but then again, like, I'm not one to usually do black eyeliner, and I'm also not one to smudge my liner, but when I tried this yesterday, I had never felt hotter, so I decided I want to do it again, and here we are. Here we are. Cleaned it on my hand. Going back in with the Alien palette, and this time I'm going to take Flying Saucer, this one, and put that over. I think it'll look really nice. Hopefully this works how I want it to. So I'm just going to put it on top of the black that's on the lower part, the under eye. It's pretty. Okay, I'm finding that if you tap it on instead of trying to blend it, this color works a little bit better on the black base, so that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, just like that. You know what, I actually want to take that Flying Saucer shade and add a little bit on the outer part of this wing as well. Just like right there. Yeah, to tie that in. That looks nice. Nice. Okay, and for an inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade Zaz from the Juvia's Warrior palette. If you haven't seen my video on this, I will link it above. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner. I love a bright white inner corner highlight. Still. So much. It's just a matte white, and it does something to me. It does something to me. Cool. We're now going to throw some mascara on the lower lash line. Make sure that that's nice and dark and thick. Okay, and now for lips, we're going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Commando Liquid Velvet Lipstick. Because I have been living for this color lately. It's so good. Okay guys, this is the completed emerald inspired makeup look. Did I overdraw my lips? Yes. Did I overdraw them too much? Also yes. Do I care? Again, yes, but are we going to do anything to fix it? No. No, we're not. We're going to rock with it. And just have these giant lips today. Whatever. So anyways, guys, as I was saying, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope if this is your birthstone, it gave you happiness and you are proud and you like what I've done, because I'm a big fan of it. I think it looks really pretty. I love like a shadow wing right now so much, and if you want a more wearable version of this, of course check my Instagram, Birthstone, because I already uploaded a picture of a real neutral version of it, and it was probably the cutest look I've ever done in my entire life. This is pretty cute too, but the neutral one is just like, what up though. And also, if you want to follow me on my other Instagram, which is my weight loss Instagram, I have lost 90 pounds so far and still losing. It is Birthstone, and I'll have it on the screen there. Of course, if at any point during this video you liked what you were seeing, you should smash that like button and that subscribe button and become part of the Brat Pack. Put out new videos every week, and I'd love to have you here. Said that in the beginning, I'm going to say it again. I'm going to say it forever and ever and ever, babe. And anyways, if you enjoy binge watching as I do, you should click on one of these videos over here. It'll take you to videos I put up in the past, and if you click on my face right here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel. I think you should do it. I think it's a good idea. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope very much to see you in my next video. Bye.